Welcome to the third weekly portfolio update. My name is Alex, and the highlight for this week is we are up in total of 6%. And for those that don't know the current dilemma with my dividends, they are actually listed for $200 too high. So I just subtract 200 even if the conversion isn't right. So it means that I am currently sitting at 3,000 euros profit. And that's $3,600 profit, and therefore my return on investment per annum is currently at 34%. It was really a great week for me, and some of the biggest movers are GameStop and LSC Communications. They are one of my 3 bankrupt stocks, and they moved quite a bit. That was one of the main gains of this week. And the only red stocks is one of the bankrupt stocks that went up by 100% in the past week, and now it's back down 27%. So that one was kind of expected, and I'm expecting the MNKKq and LKSDq stocks to probably fluctuate a lot within the next weeks as well. But I'm happy to see any movement, because over the last few months they didn't move at all, and any movement is better than none, in my opinion, for bankrupt stocks. Maybe some Robinhood investors came and bought them, no idea, because there were no news the last time I checked. And before I go to the daily snapshots that I did make, I'm over $6 per day. And now towards the snapshots, I skipped Monday and I started at Tuesday. And on Tuesday I had 3% of my profits, and I was sitting currently at $3,000 and not euro, 32% profit. One of my biggest movers there was KSS, MNKKq, and LSC Communications. As you can see, it was at $0.03 per share, and now it's currently at 11, I guess. RLGY is also one of my biggest movers there for this day. And then we go into Wednesday. At the end of the day, I was at 2% profit because of GameStop, RLGY, and LSC Communications again. And I was sitting under $6 per day. GameStop was one of my biggest movers. All of the other losses are very small. BBBY was still my biggest percentage win. And in this review, this will change. And LSDK is currently then at 8 cents. And because on Thanksgiving, the stock market isn't open, at least not the American one, and most of my holdings are from the American market. Therefore, I skipped this upload. And currently, GameStop is my biggest percentage winner. And if I change the BBBY back to the highest point it has since I held them, then it would still be my biggest percentage winner, but currently it's GameStop, as you can see here. But now turn it back. And the market apparently was closed on Friday as well, so the only movement I had was from my stock TRMR, which is a stock from London, and it moved by 4%, which moved my total portfolio by 0.4%. And this put me over the 3,000 euro threshold of profit. As always, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you enjoy this kind of content or want to see more tools in the future, please subscribe, like, and please share with your investment circle, because I'm certain they can profit from this as well. And until next week, bye bye.